Hi there, this is Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm one of the attorneys here at the Bankruptcy Law Network. And today I'd like to define for you a term that you may hear in a bankruptcy lawyer's office or even from a mortgage company, and that is the term mortgage arrearage. And what that basically means is those are missed payments. So for example, if you have had run into some trouble and you've not been able to make your payments for the last 4 months and your payment was $1,000 a month, you are considered to be $4,000 in arrearage. And of course, the mortgage company and their lawyer may add fees and penalties and costs, so that may be another $1,500 is added to that. So instead of $4,000, it may be $5,500 is your total arrearage. But that's what that term means. If you decide to file Chapter 13, we can, in many cases, cure that arrearage by putting your missed payments, the arrearage, into a plan and pay it back over 3 to 5 years. And literally you have up to 5 years to cure the arrearage. So if your plan payment to the trustee is $700 a month, $350 of that may be allocated towards paying your arrearage, your pre-petition arrearage, because it was accrued before you actually file bankruptcy. Now, if you are in bankruptcy, you're paying your plan payment, and your plan provides that you're supposed to pay your mortgage payment directly, and you fall behind after you file or post-petition, you could have a post-petition arrearage as well. And depending on the jurisdiction you're in, you may get from the judge a 3 or 4 month period of time to cure the post-petition arrearage. So again, pre-petition arrearage, we're going to cure in 3 to 5 years. A post-petition arrearage, if it occurs at all, and it really should not occur, you may get 3 or 4 months to fix it, and that's sort of your last bite at the apple. But if you hear the term arrearage or pre-petition arrearage, that's talking about the missed mortgage payments that arose before you file bankruptcy. If you hear the term post-petition arrearage, that's going to be the mortgage payments that came due after you file that you've missed. And again, you'll have a much shorter leash, a much shorter period of time to cure that. But that's what bankruptcy and Chapter 13 in particular are all about, is curing mortgage arrearages and letting you keep your house. That's what it's all about. So hope this has been helpful. If you did find it useful, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube and like our page. And let us know if there's any specific issues you want me to talk about or any rest of us to talk about in future videos. Again, I'm Jonathan Ginsberg here for the Bankruptcy Law Network, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.